Hiya, here's something worth knowing right away. You don't need to be a designer, photographer, or artist to create powerful visuals anymore because generative AI can do the heavy lifting for you. Let me show you how. Generative AI tools work in different modalities, basically the formats they can create, things like text, images, video, and audio. Not every tool does all of these, so always check what yours is capable of before diving in. Today we're using Gemini, which handles both text and images. Perfect for what we're building. So let's make this practical. Say you're a traditional Irish musician with a one night only concert in Dublin and you need a poster to advertise. You have no manager, no designer, no budget, just you and a Gen AI tool. So let's build it. We'll do this in two steps: text first, then image. For text, be clear about your task and give some context. Generate headlines for a poster promoting a traditional Irish music concert in Dublin. The concert is one night only, and the headlines should encourage the audience not to miss out. That gave us a great option right away. Dublin, one night of pure trad. Don't miss it. Punchy, clear, done. Now for the image, and this is where your approach needs to shift. The AI can't see what's in your head, so your words have to paint the picture. Get specific about style, color, position, and feeling. Here's our image prompt. Generate an image of a fiddle for a concert poster. Photographic style. The fiddle should have a warm, rich glow, creating a sense of energy and tradition in the foreground, floating against a dramatic night sky. Gemini just gave us four options to choose from, but let's say we want more atmosphere, something that really captures that magical electric feeling of a great trad session. This is where iteration comes in. You rarely nail it on the first try, and that's completely okay. Think of it as a conversation. You prompt, you see what you get, and you refine. So let's push further. Now make the sky moody and atmospheric with soft golden light surrounding the fiddle as if it's being played on a misty Dublin night. That's a concert poster. And you can keep going, adjust colors, add details, change the mood until it's exactly what you envisioned. So here's what to take away. Prompting for images means being vivid and specific. And iteration is your best friend. Every round gets you closer to what you want. No design skills needed, just a clear idea and a willingness to experiment. Give it a try and see what you create.